If you want to connect your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion to your computer and to transfer data, you will need a USB cable. Of course, the USB cable should be compatible with both your phone and computer, meaning that on one end we should have USB-C, on the other it can be USB-C or, for example, USB-A, depending on the available port on your computer. So now we can connect the phone to the computer by using the USB cable. And after that, once you connect, after a short while, you should see the USB mode. And in this case, of course, we want to choose file transfer. So select this option, enter your screen lock password. For some reason, it disappeared. So let's go to the notifications. If you missed it for some reason, then you can also go to notifications. And then here we have charging this device via USB, so you can tap on this notification twice in order to reopen USB preferences, and over here we can select file transfer again. Enter the password, and there we go. So we have two ways to actually make it work. Once you set it up, now your phone should be you should be able to find it on your computer. So once you open your computer after selecting file transfer on your phone, you should be able to find your phone over here in devices and the drives. So you can go over here, you can find the internal storage, and you can find everything that you have on your phone. And if you have the SD card as well, then you have access to it here too. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!